Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer KK Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and rules thereunder 1945. Let's begin with part 1. So in part 1 we are going to cover history, then part 1 and part 2 of the act, then schedule to the rules. History: British misrule providing poor healthcare system to Indian citizens. Observation made by Drug Inquiry Committee, Indian Medical Association. Reports in Indian Medical Gazette during 1920 to 1930. 1940 Drugs and Cosmetic Act was enacted. 1945 rules under the act was enacted, then extended to whole of India. Part 1 Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. Part 2 Drugs and Cosmetic Act Cosmetic Rules 1945. So Part 1 Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. The nature of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. It consists of 5 chapters, 38 sections and 2 schedules. So chapter wise we will see chapter 1 contains introductory part, chapter 2 contains the Drugs Technical Advisory Board, DTAB, the Central Drug Laboratory and the Drugs Consultative Committee. Chapter 3 contains import of drugs and cosmetics. Chapter 4 contains manufacture, sale and distribution of drugs and cosmetics. Chapter 4a contains provision related to Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. Chapter 5 contains miscellaneous and in which the first schedule and second schedule also there. Part 2 contains Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1945. The nature of the Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1945. It consists of 19 parts, 169 rules and very important as schedules to these rules. So part 1 that is 19 parts. So part 1 contains preliminary, part 2 the Central Drug Laboratory, part 3 omitted, part 4 import, part 5 government analyst, inspector, licensing authorities and controlling authorities, part 6 deals with sales of drugs other than homeopathic medicine, part 6a deals with the sale of homeopathic medicine, part 7 manufacture for sale or for distribution of drugs other than homeopathic medicine. Part 7a manufacture for sale or for distribution of homeopathic medicine. Part 8 contains manufacture for examination, test or analysis. Part 9 contains labeling and packaging of drugs other than homeopathic medicine. Part 9a contains labeling and packaging of homeopathic medicine. Part 10 contains special provision related to biological and another special products. Part 10a contains import of manufacture of new drugs for clinical trials or marketing. Part 10b contains requirement for the collection, storage, processing and distribution of whole human blood components by blood bank and manufacture of blood products. Part 11 exemption of drug specified in Schedule K. Part 12 standards related to drugs and cosmetics. Part 13 contains import of cosmetics. Part 14 contains manufacture of cosmetics for sale or for distribution. Part 15 contains labeling, packaging and standard of cosmetics. Part 15a contains approval of institution for carrying out tests on drugs, cosmetics and raw material used in their manufacture on behalf of licenses for manufacture for sale of drugs and cosmetics. Part 16 contains manufacture for sale of Ayurvedic including Siddha or Unani drugs. Part 16a contains approval of institution for carrying out tests on Ayurvedic including Siddha or Unani drugs and raw material used in their manufacture on behalf of licenses for manufacture for sale of Ayurvedic including Siddha or Unani drugs. Part 17 contains labeling, packaging and limit of alcohol in Ayurvedic including Siddha or Unani drugs. Part 18 contains government analysis and inspector for Ayurvedic including Siddha or Unani drugs. Part 19 contains standard of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. Then schedule to the rules. There are 37 schedule to the rules. Out of it, 3 schedule, that is schedule E, I and L, omitted as per Government of India notification date 22/6/1982, and one schedule that is schedule W, deleted as per Government of India notification dated 8/2/2000. So let's begin with the schedule to the rules. So first schedule is schedule A, contains a list of forms used for sending memorandum, making application, issuing licenses, granting licenses. Schedule B, fees for the test or analysis by the Central Drug Laboratory or the State Drug Laboratory. Schedule B1, fees for the test for analysis for Indian medicine. Schedule C, biological and special products. Schedule C1, other special products. Schedule D contains a class of exempted drugs which are exempted from a certain provision applicable to import of drugs. Schedule D1, information and undertaking required to be submitted by the manufacturer or his authorized agent with the application form for a registration certificate. Schedule D2, information required to be submitted by the manufacturer or his authorized agent with the application form for a registration of bulk drugs formulation special product for its import into India. Schedule D3, information and undertaking required to be submitted by manufacturer or his authorized importer distributor agent. Schedule E, omitted list of poisonous substance. Schedule E1, list of poisonous substance under the Ayurvedic, including Siddha and Unani system of medicine. Schedule F, provision applicable to the blood bank requirement and licensing to process blood component. Schedule FF contains standard for ophthalmic preparation. Schedule G contains list of substances which required to be taken under supervision of a registered medical practitioner. Schedule H contains list of prescription drugs sold by retail only on prescription of a registered medical practitioner. Schedule I contains Schedule I omitted particulars as to proportion of poison in certain cases. Schedule J, disease and ailments by whatever name described which a drug may not purport to prevent or cure or make claim to prevent or cure. Schedule K, class of drugs exempted from certain provision applicable to manufacture and sale of drugs. Schedule L, omitted, that contains list of drugs to be sold on prescription only. Schedule L1 contains good laboratory practices. Schedule M contains good manufacturing practices and requirement of premises, plants and equipment for pharmaceutical products. Schedule M1 contains requirement of factory premises for manufacture of homeopathic preparations. M2 contains requirements of factory premises for manufacture of cosmetics. M3 contains requirement of factory premises for manufacture of medical devices. Schedule N contains list of minimum equipment for the efficient running of pharmacy. Schedule O contains standard of disinfectant fluid. Schedule P contains life period of drugs. Schedule P1 contains packs sizes of drugs. Schedule Q contains list of dyes, color, pigments permitted to be used in cosmetics and soap. Schedule R contains standard for condoms made of rubber latex intended for single use and other medicinal mechanical contraceptives. Schedule R1 contains standard for medical devices. Schedule S contains standards for cosmetics in finished form. Schedule T contains good manufacturing practices for Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani medicines. Schedule TA contains forms for records of raw material by ASU, American Society of then Drug Manufacturing Units. Then Schedule U contains particulars to be shown in manufacturing raw materials and analytical records of drug. Schedule U1 contains particular to be shown in manufacturing and raw materials record of cosmetics. Schedule V contains standards for patent or proprietary medicines. Schedule W contains drugs shall be marketed under generic name only, deleted as per Government of India notification number GSR 94E dated 8/2/2000. Schedule X contains list of habit forming, that is psychotropic and other drug substances or drugs. Then Schedule Y contains requirement and guidelines for permission to import and or manufacture of a new drug for the sale or to undertake clinical trials. Thank you so much.